Welcome my YouTube channel AK Cars Reviews. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 continues the legacy of the iconic G-Class, offering an exceptional blend of performance, luxury, and style. With its unmatched road presence and advanced features, the G63 is the ultimate SUV for those who demand both power and sophistication. Whether driving through city streets or rugged terrains, the G63 delivers an experience that is both exhilarating and luxurious. Let's dive into the specifics of this powerhouse. Exterior. The 2025 G63 stands out with its distinctive, muscular design. The boxy, rugged shape is combined with modern styling elements that give the SUV an aggressive yet refined appearance. The front grille, with its large Mercedes-Benz star, gives a commanding presence. The LED headlights and sleek lines running along the sides add sophistication to its tough exterior. Wide, muscular wheel arches house large, multi-spoke wheels, adding to the vehicle's stance. Available in various finishes, including a stunning high-gloss black, the G63 also boasts an enhanced air intake system and more aggressive bumper designs that not only improve aesthetics but also performance. The heart of the 2025 G63 is its powerhouse 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, which delivers a whopping 577 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque. This engine enables the G63 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest SUVs on the market. The AMG SpeedShift TCT 9-speed automatic transmission works seamlessly with the engine to provide quick, smooth shifts. The G63 is also equipped with a sophisticated all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior traction and stability in both on-road and off-road conditions. Whether you're cruising down highways or tackling rugged terrain, the G63's performance is nothing short of extraordinary. Interior. Inside, the 2025 G63 is all about luxury and comfort. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including Napa leather upholstery, wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, offering maximum comfort for long drives. The dashboard features a dual-screen setup, with one screen serving as the digital instrument cluster and the other as the infotainment system, controlled by the latest MBUX interface. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control, the G63 ensures an intuitive and connected driving experience. The rear seats are spacious, and the vehicle's high roofline allows for ample headroom, making it ideal for tall passengers. The G63 also offers a decent cargo capacity, which can be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Price. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is a luxury vehicle, and its price reflects its performance and features. The starting price for the G63 is approximately $180,000, though additional features, customizations, and packages can push the price higher. Given its performance, craftsmanship, and iconic status, the G63 offers excellent value for those looking for the best in a luxury SUV. Safety. Mercedes-Benz has prioritized safety in the 2025 G63, equipping it with a range of advanced features designed to protect both occupants and pedestrians. Standard safety equipment includes multiple airbags, active brake assist, and a 360-degree camera system to help with parking and tight maneuvers. The G63 also comes with blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision warning systems to prevent accidents. In addition to these features, the G63 is built with a robust, durable frame, ensuring maximum protection in the event of a collision. With these comprehensive safety features, the G63 ensures peace of mind while driving, whether on city streets or off-road trails. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is an exceptional luxury SUV that offers thrilling performance, a luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology. It blends the rugged charm of the original G-Class with modern refinements, making it an ideal choice for those who demand both adventure and sophistication. Whether for daily commutes or off-road escapades, the G63 provides an experience like no other. With its combination of power, style, and safety, the 2025 G63 remains one of the top choices for luxury SUV enthusiasts.